Continuing on calculating horizontal asymptotes, this time I want to compute the horizontal asymptote of arctan of e to the power x. So here I know that I'm looking for limit of arctan e to the power x as x goes to positive infinity, and limit of arctan of e to the power x as x goes to negative infinity. And knowing that, I know about if the input of arctan is infinity or any value, but right now the input of arctan is this u, and so I have to figure out as x goes to infinity, where does this u go to? So let's graph e to the x. E to the x looks like that. I can write it with a red right there. And goes to 1 and other stuff. But I can't, all I care for is the end behavior of e to the x. And end behavior of e to the x as x goes to positive infinity is positive infinity. End behavior of e to the x as x goes to negative infinity is 0. Therefore, when x goes to positive infinity, this becomes limit as u goes to positive infinity of arctan of u, and this one becomes limit as, let's say, u goes to, where does u go? U go to 0 as our arctan of u. Now that we took care of the inside function, I have to think about the outside function. Outside function is arctan. If you have arctan, here is one horizontal asymptote, that is pi half. The other one is negative pi half, and the function goes like that, if you remember. It's the reflection of tangent, the main branch of the tangent of x, basically. Now, in here, I can see if u goes to infinity, over there, as input goes to infinity, y value goes to pi half. So this is going to be pi half. And the second one, as u goes to 0 right here, is going to be 0. So y equal to pi half and y equal to 0 are the horizontal asymptotes. This one as x goes to positive infinity, this one as x goes to negative infinity.